Good luck, MPIAN. This is Inception box personal number 2. Best of luck to you. Thank you. Xander, there's 7 left on that, on the NT draft. We'd had 7 left. Alright, MPIAN, good luck to you, man. Parallel off the back. It's going to be T.Y. Hilton.
We need to get into the link and have people tee off on them and try to come after them, because there's a lot of quarterbacks that can stand back there and look pretty when they're wearing the red jersey, but when you take the red jersey off and it's live and full go, they become different guys.
Next we've got Brandon Weeden base, not numbered. Followed by Vincent Jackson base, not numbered. Chris Johnson, 3/25. Not yet, Haru. Kind of lining those here. Let's go off the back here, MPIAN. This one feels pretty fat, so good luck, man. I hope it's a nice patch or something. It's going to be Justin Hunter. No 3-color, little patch. Nice 3-color. Where's our number at? Number 10/25. Alright, on to your hits. Good luck. Other hits. First auto. This looks like Stills, maybe? Kenny Stills for the Saints. Don't believe this one is numbered. Corner's a little white and flared at the bottom. Not too bad, though. So you got Kenny Stills auto and last hit of the box. Good luck. Told you, man. Green and gold. Something green and gold. There you go. Nope. And this is going to be number 8/25, Mike Gillespie for the Dolphins. 8/25. Not focusing too well, but nice card. Alright, MPIAN, so you got the Gillespie to 25. Those cards are pretty sick. Kenny Stills, not bad. And then the Justin Hunter patch. Thank you again.